In this fourth week of the COVID-19 lockdown, here comes another recipe for a delicious, nutrient-rich salad. We'll start out with half a bag of organic butter lettuce with radicchio, 1 organic sliced Persian cucumber, a cup of mixed beans, cooked, a half cup of sliced cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup of pickles, 1/2 avocado sliced in small pieces, 1/2 cup of sauerkraut unpasteurized with the juice, 1/2 cup of Greek Kalamata olives, 2 tablespoons of toasted pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons of toasted sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon of chives chopped, and we top it with organic extra virgin olive oil from Italy, and top it off with some soy sauce to taste. Enjoy!